Good afternoon guys, Brett here at Kendal Automart. Just going to take you around this Nissan Elgrand we've just taken in. Very rare beast, not one I've come across before, but not very many out there on Auto Trader when we loaded this one up. But it is a lovely example as well. 2003 registration, done just over 90,000 miles, which I'll confirm a little bit later. But just to tell you a little bit more about us here at Kendal Automart, so we're attached to the Honda dealership behind us here, and the Seat dealership to the left here, and they bring most of the cars that we bring to you in via part exchange, and all of our servicing and MOT repairs are all done with our Honda trained technicians in our Kendal Honda branch. We're situated just off the Appleby Road in Kendal, with that lovely viewpoint from the office window, and all of our vehicles are stored on site ready for you to drive. So like I say, just take you around this Nissan Elgrand, 3.5 litre auto, in really good condition for its age. As you can see, let's take you in there as well. Fantastic. We'll go through our Automart checks, and we do have warranty options up to 12 or 24 months on this one as well. So fresh service, fresh MOT as part of our preparation in there. Fantastic. Looks great. Around the front, plenty of space in and around the vehicle as well. We've got the ivory interior which runs throughout. And there as well. You've got 95,816 miles. You've got FM, AM radio in here. Your dual zone climate control, some Japanese navigation on there as well. Not too sure how to navigate that without being Japanese, but you got electric sliding doors in here as well. 3 seats in here, and also 3 seats right in the rear as well. Stacks of service history and parts, and the manual for the vehicle in here as well. But really good example. But if you do want to pop down, have a look, have a drive, please give us a call and we'll get you booked in. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.